Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the Gamma AI and what are some good alternatives to it. So like very simple one, I know that it's like hard to actually compare, but Google Slides is interesting. So this is the first one that you can actually like check out. It got like no AI capabilities for slide generation, also no AI generated content. Another one that you can actually like check out is Canva. So Canva presentation where you can also do it with like great AI stuff, and you have like plenty of great templates, and I really like Canva for this. So using Canva is a good option too. Then also another one that I really like is Prezzo, like Prezi. So it's the most popular free alternative to Gamma app, produces visual interactive presentation with zooming navigation, multimedia embedding, template for various needs, real-time collaboration, analytics, offline editing, and many more. So you can have like limited AI features on the like free tier, but still this could be also good way to check out. Then also like Reveal.js. This is like the framework that you can also use. It's a cutting-edge open source presentation framework that utilizes HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript with dynamic 3D transition effects, cross-browser compatibility, and PDF export function. This non-linear framework is a powerful tool for creating engaging presentations. So you need to know how to work with HTML and CSS. So that's something that also. Now Slides AI, good alternative too, where you can change the text to slides in seconds. So you can also check this one out. So have a great day and goodbye.